The G.SKILL Trident Z5 RGB series DDR5 RAM is built for users who demand top-tier speed, rock-solid stability, and premium aesthetics in their desktop setup. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. This powerful 64GB memory kit, consisting of two 32GB modules, delivers an impressive 6,000 metric tons per second speed for ultra-fast responsiveness during gaming, content creation, streaming, and heavy multitasking. With low-latency CL36-36-36-96 timings and an efficient 1.35V operating voltage, it provides an excellent balance of performance and power efficiency. The matte white heatspreader ensures reliable thermal control while adding a clean, modern look that fits seamlessly into a wide range of PC builds. Supporting both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD EXPO, this RAM offers broad compatibility and easy one-click overclocking on today's most popular platforms. Whether paired with Intel 12th, 13th, or 14th Gen processors or the latest AMD Ryzen CPUs, it maintains stability under demanding workloads. The dual-channel design delivers consistent bandwidth, reducing load times and improving system smoothness for tasks like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and high FPS gaming. Fully customizable RGB lighting adds vibrant visual appeal, while G.SKILL's proven build quality ensures long-term reliability. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.